I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace when I found this chair, which looked to me like a design from Eero Saarinen produced by Knoll. It was listed at $5, so I immediately went to go get it, and sure enough, there was a little sticker on the bottom that said Knoll, and my suspicions were confirmed. I had found a gem. However, this gem was so dirty. So I decided to get out my Bissell upholstery cleaner and I got to work. The water it was vacuuming up was black. It was repulsive. I then decided to try some Krud cutter to get out some of the stains, and that helped a lot, but it needed a little something extra, so I tried borax. I sprinkled the borax on throughout the chair and sprayed it down with water, and then I used my upholstery cleaner. This seemed to do the trick. It was honestly very satisfying, but let me show you what the dirty water tank looked like. It was nasty. I then polished up the chrome legs with some brass, so here's the before and here's the after. It's anything but perfect, but it was a $5 garage sale find that I could easily sell for over $1,000 to the right person. But I think I'm actually going to keep this one. It just goes perfectly in my office. Plus, I think Maisie likes it too. So don't forget to check the caption for the step-by-step details.